Have you ever wanted something, but you didn't try because you felt scared? Have you ever stayed quiet when you really wanted to speak? What if your fear is lying to you? And what if your dreams are telling you the truth?
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Simple English Avenue.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah.
And I'm John.
Today's quote is very powerful. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. John, can you explain this in very simple English?
Yes, this means do not let fear control your life. Fear is a feeling. It tells you something bad might happen.
Even when it is not true?
Yes, many times it is not true. Your mind creates fear. Creates means makes.
So fear comes from our own thoughts.
Exactly. Now, pushed around means controlled or forced, like someone pushing you and you cannot stop it.
That sounds uncomfortable.
Yes, and that is what fear does. It pushes you away from your goals.
Like when I want to speak English, but I stay quiet.
Exactly. Now, the second part is very important. Be led by the dreams in your heart. Led means guided. Your dreams should guide you.
Not your fear.
Yes, not your fear. Your dreams are your goals, what you really want.
Like speaking English confidently.
Yes, that's a great example. Let's imagine a real-life situation.
Okay.
You are at the airport. You need to ask for help. Fear says, your English is bad. Bad means not good.
Yes, many people feel this.
But your dream says, I want to travel. I need to speak. So you go and say, excuse me, where is gate 5?
That's simple.
Yes, simple is good. Simple is powerful.
I like that.
Now, let's talk about real-life English. In textbooks, you may learn, could you please tell me the location of gate number 5?
That sounds long.
Yes, correct, but long. In real life, people say, where is gate 5?
Much easier.
Yes. Now, let's do a role play at work.
Okay.
You are in a meeting.
I feel nervous already.
That's okay. Your boss asks, any ideas?
Nervous says, stay quiet.
Yes. But your dream says, I want to grow. So you say, I have a small idea.
Why small?
Good question. Saying small makes it polite and safe.
Oh, that's smart.
Yes. Then you explain.
Even if it's not perfect.
Exactly. Perfect is not important. Progress is important.
Progress, step by step.
Yes. Let's take one more example with friends.
I like this one.
You meet new people. Fear says they will judge you. Judge means think badly about you.
Sad, that feeling is very real.
Yes. But your dream says, I want to connect. Connect means build a relationship.
Warm, make friends.
Exactly. So you say, hi, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Simple again.
Yes, simple works.
I think many people wait too long because of fear.
Yes. Fear makes you wait. Dreams make you move.
Fear stops, dreams move.
That's a powerful sentence. Let's repeat it. Fear stops, dreams move.
Fear stops, dreams move.
Very good. Now, one important tip.
Yes?
Start small. Do one thing today. Speak one sentence. Ask one question.
That's easy to start.
Yes. And slowly you will grow.
I feel motivated now.
That's great.
Let's recap.
Do not let fear control you.
Follow your dreams.
Use simple English.
Practice every day. And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Yes.
Thank you so much for listening.
Keep learning, keep growing.
If you enjoyed this,
Like, share, and subscribe.
see you next time on Simple English Avenue.
Bye.